Let's learn some spring vocabulary. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks so that you can remember what these words mean. Spring, primavera. Primavera. I'm not sure of an easy way to remember this, so this is one you're just going to have to kind of get in your mind. Flower, flor. It has the first few letters that are the same, so this one shouldn't be too hard to remember. We just take out the W and the E. Flor. Butterfly. Mariposa has nothing to do with butter or fly. Mariposa. But this is kind of a fun word to say. Mariposa. Bee is an abeja. Abeja. Ladybug is a mariquita. Mariquita. So we have mariposa and mariquita, both little springtime bugs. A bird is a pájaro. Don't forget the accent on the first A. I sometimes accidentally forget that. Pájaro. And this is a bird in general. Different kinds of birds have different names, but this is just the word for bird. Nest is nido. Nido. A chick is a pollito. Now this is a baby chicken, is a pollito. A chicken is a pollo. The ito means a little one, so pollito is a chick. A duck is a pato. If you had a little duck, a duckling would be a patito. A lamb is a oveja. Oveja. It's very similar to the word abeja for bee. So abeja is a bee. Oveja is a lamb. A rabbit is a conejo. Conejo. Easter is Pascua. Pascua. There's not really an easy way to remember this, but I kind of think of Easter as having all sorts of pastel colors, and Pascua starts the same as pastel, like the pastel colors. So pastel, Pascua. There's not really an easy way to remember this. An egg is a huevo. Huevo. Now, an Easter egg would be a huevo de Pascua. Easter egg is huevo de Pascua. A basket is a canasta. Canasta. A kite is a cometa. Cometa. So I remember this because I can see the word comet in the Spanish word. And so if you look at the tail of a kite, it kind of looks like a comet that would go across the sky. Cometa. Rain is lluvia. Lluvia. Wind is viento. Viento. A puddle is a charco. Charco. Umbrella is paraguas. Paraguas. So agua is water. Para is to stop. So in Spanish, it's literally to stop the water. Paraguas. A rainbow is arco iris. Arco iris. Arco is like an arch. So a rainbow is usually like in an arch form. Arco iris. I hope this has helped. This is a few of the spring vocabulary. You can always check back and listen to this video as often as you need to.